Namaste to all. Welcome back to JS English channel. Today we would like to discuss parts of speech exercises which are given in intermediate first year English textbook. Let us learn all parts of speech exercises with detailed explanation. Let us see the very first one. All of you refer to page number 141 from intermediate first year English textbook. First one. The young girl brought me a very long letter from teacher. Yes, the underlined word is young. What is the parts of speech of the word young? Yes, here young is an adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies or which adds extra information to the noun, which qualifies about a noun. What is the noun here? Girl. How is the girl? Young girl. Here the word young, it adds extra information to the noun, so it is an adjective. Right, now let us move on to second one. My parents are traveling to Sri Salem next month. Here the underlined word is parents. Here it is a noun. Okay now, so most of the nouns comes at the beginning of the sentences. What is the parts of speech of parents? Noun. Right. Third one. He doesn't want to go with them. Here he. It is a pronoun. Here pro means instead of. Noun. Pro means here instead of. Instead of noun, we have to use the words like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are all pronouns. Right. Fourth one. Seema wanted those but decided to compromise on these. Here the word but which joins two sentences, so it is conjunction. What is the parts of speech of but? Conjunction. Here junction means here which joins or adds four ways or four roads, that is called as a junction. Here this is conjunction. Right. Fifth one. The boy who called yesterday came to see you. Here the word who, here it is a pronoun. Here the boy, here who is who it refers to? The boy. The boy who called yesterday came to see you. Understand? Here he came to see you. Here who is who here? The boy. So here it refers to the noun. So that's why here instead of noun we used here who. So here it is pronoun. Sixth one. The old man was talking in a quiet voice. The old man was talking in a quiet voice. Right. Here old, as we discussed first sentence, same like here the sixth one, old, it adds extra information to the noun, that is man. Common noun. Man is common noun, whereas here girl also is common noun. Right. The old man. Here how is the man? Old. Understand? Here old also adjective. Right. Seventh one. My brother is stronger than me. Here you can see stronger, strong, stronger, strongest. These are all adjective. This is comparative adjective. Comparative adjectives usually ends with er. Strong, stronger, strongest. So this is an adjective. Right. Move to eighth one. Calvin runs quickly. Here most of the words ends with ly. If the word ends with ly, it is an adverb. What is an adverb? Add something to the verb. add something to the verb or add something to the adjective or add something to the another adverb. That is called adverb. Understand? Here add plus verb, add something to the verb. Here quickly. So how does he run? He runs quickly. Understand? So 99% of the words ends with ly. 99% of the adverbs end with ly. So here quickly is adverb, right? Let us move on to ninth one. The children ran happily to their father. Already as we discussed, eighth one, same like right. The children ran happily. How did they run? They ran happily. Here already we discussed ly. The word ends with ly. So it is an adverb. Add something to the verb. Okay, now here the word which adds something to the ran. 10th one. Have a look under the couch. Have a look under the couch. Here the word under is a preposition. 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 Pre means here before. Position means here noun. Okay, now here preposition is nothing but which shows the relationship between two nouns. Understand? It is called preposition. Let us move on to, please subscribe my channel. Let us move on to another one, that is 11th one. Raghav didn't pass the test because he didn't understand the subject. Here what is the parts of speech of because? Here because is conjunction. Here Raghav didn't pass the test. Here this is one sentence because he didn't understand the subject. So what's the reason here? He didn't understand the subject. So here the word because which joins both the sentences. So it is conjunction. Right. 12th one. Oh dear, what happened? Here oh dear, it ends with exclamatory mark. If the word ends with exclamatory mark, then we can say that is interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feelings. Here, oh dear, what happened? Here, what happened here? We expressed sudden feelings. So that's why here it is interjection. 13th one. Edward drove for hours. Here the word for is preposition. For, on, off, at. These are all prepositions. The new car broke out. How is the car new? Okay, now the car is noun, whereas here new car. How is the car new? So here it is an adjective. 15th one. Wow, that looks amazing. Here it ends with the sentence ends with the exclamatory mark. Wow. Here which expresses sudden feelings. So here wow is interjection. Next one. Tears began to fall as Dolly saw the completely lifeless body of her dog. Tears began to fall as Dolly saw the completely lifeless body of her dog. Here completely, as we discussed before also, if the word ends with ly, so we can consider it as adverb. 17th one. Elizabeth walks gracefully. Here the word walks, it tells about action. So what is the action here? What does he do? Okay, now here Elizabeth, what does she do? Here walks. Walks means here action. Action word. This is a verb. Next one, 18th one. Emma is smart and beautiful. Here the word is verb. Understand? So here if it is am, is, was, were, okay, these are all auxiliary verbs, or otherwise we can call it as verb also. Okay, now helping verbs are verb. Right, next one. This house is like a palace. This house is here a noun. Understand? What about, for example, here the underline is given this, then what is that? That would be adjective. This house, new adjective. This adjective. What about house? Here house is a noun. 20th. Not all old trains are considered classics. Here, underline word is old. So how are the trains? Old. Here it talks about trains. It adds extra information to the noun, that is trains. Here, how are the trains? Old. So it is an adjective. Please subscribe my channel. Hit the like button. Thank you for watching.